Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will be showing you the simple way to make fried rice. Before I start, have you subscribed? If you haven't, please and please, Biko, Dalu, like and subscribe to my channel. You can also share this video with your friends and families. And don't forget to leave in your comments. I am much eager to hear from you guys. So now, let's start the business of the day. The ingredients I will be using for today are carrots, salt, seasoning cubes, curry, thyme, and nutmeg. I will also be using the green bell pepper, the spring onions, and the green beans. These are already washed and cut, as you can see. I will also be using the onions, which is already sliced, with the green peas, the chicken stock, and also I am going to be using the sweet corn together with my ginger and garlic powder, and also the fried rice spices, and finally some cabbage. Now let's start cooking. Firstly, I will be frying some onions in a heated oil, which is the leftover I used to fry my chicken. Why I like using leftover oil is to make the food more tasty. After frying, I am going to introduce the parboiled rice, and I am going to stir fry the rice until it is dry and a little bit brown. I know some of you will wonder why I always parboil my rice. I do that because I believe it helps to reduce the starch in the rice. Furthermore, you have to fry the rice to make it come out dry and not smudgy. And also, it helps the rice not to easily get spoiled. So you keep frying, which is why it is called fried rice. Once I'm done, I will season the rice up by adding salt, seasoning cubes, curry, thyme, nutmeg, the ginger and garlic powder, and stir all this together properly. At this stage, I will add the chicken stock to the rice. You have to make sure you don't add too much stock because the rice is already parboiled. But if you feel your stock is not enough to cook the rice, you can add small water to it. And I will also go ahead to check in for taste to see if I will still need to add more seasoning. But of course, it's perfect. So I will cover and allow to cook for about 15 minutes. Then I can start frying the veggies. I will start by frying the carrot first in a heated oil and stir fry. After then, I will introduce all the green veggies, which is the green bell pepper, spring onions, green beans, and green peas, and season it up with curry, nutmeg, and thyme. Thereafter, I will add onions and salt, after which I will go ahead to check in on the rice before it becomes too soft. See how nice and dry it's looking. You can check if you still need to add more water or stock. If not, you can set it aside and go back to continue frying your veggies. Once the veggies are fried to some extent, I will add the ginger and garlic powder together with the fried rice seasoning powder, then introduce the sweet corn and stir all together properly. At this stage, I am going to now introduce the cooked rice and stir properly together with the veggies. Then you can cover and leave to steam for about 5 minutes. Finally, I will add the cabbage. This is optional. You can decide to add it or not. It's just based on your choice. Now the food is finally done and ready. You can serve with any protein of your choice. Thank you guys for watching. Please and please like and subscribe to my channel. Ejo, Biko, Dalu. If you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe and like my channel. And you can also share this with your friends and families. Thank you and see you all in my next video. Bye bye.